Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to the Two-Stroke Turbo channel. You will see in front of me my shop dog Stella, my beautiful 9-year-old Brittany Spaniel, is in front of a red car, which the red car typically has been on my lift for a long time. It is now in trials, sea trials as I call them, getting all the kinks bugged out, worked out, and that's a good thing. So we had a huge storm here. All my covers blew off my cars. Last night we had 50, 60 mile an hour winds. Unfortunately, the Nash out there, the green Nash, that beautiful green Nash, is completely full of water. It's holding water like a moat on the inside, unfortunately. What are we working on today? I'm going to do a little bragging. A little bragging rights is in order here. I gotta go back in time a little bit. I don't even recall how long we've had this 1998 Honda CR-V. We've got the rocket box on top, which facilitates skis and poles and snowboards, and then we got the lift kit. We've got the studded snow tires. We have, it's been totaled four times, I think four times, stolen 3, and I bought it as a total from my customer for $200 way back when. It has gone through my first daughter. It is a 5-speed, so the clutch was new, not anymore, and it's getting ready to go through my second daughter, who's learning to drive a stick shift. And I tell you what, boy, teaching young ladies how to drive stick shifts these days, it's a clutch burner, but whatever, it's fine. It's good. There's still some remnants of the car being stolen. The one time the steering lock was on the steering wheel, and they simply cut through the steering wheel to get the lock off. It now is GPS tracked, and we haven't had any issues in the last year or so as the situation around us has gotten better. This has been a great car. It's got 226,000 miles on it. I brought it in for an oil change. We're going to get some new synthetic Quaker State in the in for the lifeblood of the engine. I got the lights working again. It does have lights under the car, which you'd call them undercarriage lights or neon lights for when we're skiing. It reflects off the snow. It's pretty cool. This has been a great car for us. It's beat. It's got a few dents, but you know what? It really does the job. The all-wheel drive is crucial to get up and down the mountain safely, especially with studded snows. And our snow tires still got a little bit left on there. Just a little bit of knobs, which is good. So we're so happy. I'm so happy. It hasn't been stolen. It's still running good. The wife loves it. The girls love it. All the kids love it. It's a great economical car. It didn't cost a lot. It has cost more in insurance and hassle, and having me retitled every time it got stolen, that was expensive. But what are you gonna do? So, I did treat it. I put a new windshield in it, and we fixed the water leaks. I don't know if you recall, it was totaled on that side, and the accident hit the hinge area, and water was being funneled into the carpet, and this thing was a mold machine. That's all fixed now. It's good. It's a little beat. It's a little rough, but you know what? It is what it is. So I hope you guys get as much enjoyment out of your ski cars or rough cars as we do. We really enjoy it. It's a fun little rig. Not powerful, not glamorous, but it gets you from point A to point B, and that's what matters.